Alright, so we got two things that came in. We have the MP Concepts, the deck lid in the small box, and we got the Corsa Extremes quad tip exhaust in the big box. So all we're going to do in this video is that we're going to open up both boxes and inspect what we got and make sure we got all the right pieces and that none of it's damaged, and that we'll be ready to install these once we get the rest of the parts in. So we're going to start on the big box, since that's the one I'm like most anxious to open. And all I'm really using here is the eye tool that you use to take rivets off the car. I really don't want to damage the box because I'm not ready to do the install yet, so I got to make sure I put all these pieces back in. Let's see what I got away with. The worst part about this is having to wait to install it. It's going to be about another week before I can actually get this in. The packaging. Now you can look up online what kind of material it's made out of, but I think it's the 304 stainless. It shouldn't be that hard. It's strictly a bolt-on system. Here's one. Exhaust. And the other. And what I'm mostly interested in making sure that's a double helix, because if you know anything about Corsa, you know they only really make two exhausts, right? And they change those two mufflers out by what you use as their mid pipe. So the Sport, I believe the Sport and the Extreme are almost identical. But what makes the Extreme different is this mid pipe right here, the double helix. And has kind of like two X pipes built into it. Has the brand right here. Can you focus it here, baby girl? The Corsa. Yes. I don't know if you can see it. Corsa. You will never see that thing, really. And these are your adapters. So if you're running stock cats, they go from, I think, 2.5 to 3 inch. So these are going to be your adapters. You're still running those stock parts. And this is it right here. This is the show and tell for me. Alright. Quad tips. Corsa. Right here. Very nice finish. Nice welds all the way around. 4.5 inch. 4.5 inch compared to what I currently have. I currently have 4 inch. Just walk around to the back. Probably gonna have to get down really low on this baby girl. These are 4 inches. These are 4.5. And I'm gonna run obviously on each side. Bumper's gonna get replaced with the GT350 replica. With the diffuser, it's going to change up the whole look on the back. This deck lid right here, the one that I have in the box, hopefully does not have the GT sign on it. So I'm going to go double check on that. bubble wrap. Got your MP concepts, instructions in color. But there's enough of the instructional videos online for you to see that. And not only is it in this material, but it's also wrapped in plastic. So very good on the packaging. And more wrap. Save yourself scratches. Alright, no GT, no hose, clean look. Got the spot for the review camera. No chips and cracks. Taking a look. The installs here, making sure the plastic rivets good shape. Alright, next is going to be the install. Peace out.